Hey guys, for people who like certain types of lighting, here are some nice LED recessed lights. These are really mini. But they are on a Lutron dimmer. I was just wanting to make a small video of a demonstration of one of these switches. This controls the dimming of the light. Down arrow obviously means lower lighting, and up arrow obviously means higher lighting. This stands for on, and this stands for off. So let's turn it off. Obviously you can use the dimmer as well to turn it on. Now I'll show you the actual lighting itself being dimmed from up here. It's getting lower and lower in lighting. At least it's slightly lower in lighting. I'm gonna turn the brightness up now. Alright, I'm going to turn these lights off. I'm going to do another demonstration on another one of these. In this section, we have another Lutron switch. Interesting there. Another set of these lights. The Lutron switch. Now I don't know what this switch controls. But here is the Lutron switch dimming the lights up. Obviously you can use this to turn it off, and the other button to turn it on. When you turn it off, you can use any of these dimmers to turn the lights on. Actually, you can't use the down dimmer to turn the lights on. You use the up dimmer to turn the lights on. This one kind of has a problem. Wow. Interesting with the dimmer switch here. And I'll show you these lights in action. So there's the dimmer mechanism. I'll turn them off now and turn it back on. So there is a demonstration on one of these Lutron switches, and thank you for watching.